In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create numbered lists in PowerPoint on both PC and Mac. Whether you're working on a presentation for work or school, learning how to effectively use numbered lists can help you organize information in a neat and clear way. We'll dive right into the steps you need to follow so you can start enhancing your presentations today. First, you'll want to begin by accessing Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. It's an incredibly handy tool because it allows you to edit presentations directly from your browser without needing to download any additional software. Once you're there, check out the top right corner of the screen and click on the sign in button. You'll need to log into your account, so if you haven't already set one up, now would be a good time to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the PowerPoint homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options and templates to choose from. If you're not starting from scratch, you might want to click on an existing presentation, maybe something you've been working on recently. Simply click on one of the presentations to open it. Now that you're in your desired presentation, let's go ahead and create that numbered list. Navigate towards the slide you want to add your list to. Let's say you're on the slide, make sure you have a text box ready where you want the list to appear. With your slide and text box selected, head over to the toolbar at the top. You'll see various options related to text formatting. Look for the option that says Numbering Library. This is your go-to for creating numbered lists. Click on it, and a variety of styles will appear before you. You can choose from simple numbers to more stylized options depending on the tone and style of your presentation. Pick the one that fits your needs best. Now type out the first item you want to include in your list. Once you press the enter key, PowerPoint will automatically add the next number for you, making the process quite seamless. Continue adding your items, hitting enter after each point until your list is complete. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to organize your information in PowerPoint using numbered lists. This feature not only helps in structuring your data, but also enhances the overall clarity and professionalism of your presentation. As you work through your presentations, remember to keep things concise and align your content with the main focus of your talk. It makes it easier for your audience to follow along and absorb the information you're sharing. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy presenting.